I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on Netflix. We click on settings. We'll click here. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search for Netflix app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. We will go to Play Store. You will move here and you will search for Netflix app. And then here you will find update. You will click to update your app. So that's it. Don't forget to support us.